The 2024 Genesis GV70 is a luxury compact SUV that offers a compelling blend of style, performance, and value. It's a strong contender in the competitive segment, taking on rivals like the BMW X3, Audi Q5, and Mercedes-Benz GLC Class. Exterior design. The GV70 features a sleek and sophisticated exterior design that exudes elegance. Its sculpted lines, striking front grille, and distinctive LED taillights make it a standout on the road. The available 21-inch wheels add a touch of sportiness, while the panoramic sunroof enhances the spacious interior. Interior design. The GV70's interior is a haven of luxury and comfort. It's crafted with high-quality materials, including soft leather upholstery, elegant wood trim, and plush carpeting. The cabin is spacious and well-appointed, with plenty of legroom and headroom for both passengers and cargo. Technology and features. The GV70 comes standard with a generous list of technology and convenience features, including a 14.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a 16-speaker Lexicon sound system, and a suite of driver assistance features. Available upgrades include a digital instrument cluster, heated and ventilated seats, and a surround view monitor. Performance. The GV70 offers a choice of two powerful and refined engines: a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that produces 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, or a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that generates 375 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Pros: luxurious and spacious interior, powerful and refined engines, generous list of standard technology and features, competitive pricing. Cons: some interior materials may feel a bit cheap, rear visibility can be limited due to the sloping roofline. With the more powerful engine. Overall rating: 4.5 out of 5 stars.